So now let us see how to find the perimeter and area of this shape. This is the shape given. So first thing you should know what is perimeter. So perimeter means that is the sum of all sides. Means what you are going to do, sum means you are going to add all the sides. So now these are the sides what you are going to consider here. Means we are just going to see the outer part, not the inner one. So this is all, we are going to add all these sides and we are not going to look at the inner sides. So now let us start. We'll put here number 1. So this is only for the better understanding. So now see here. So this part is done. Now we want this part. So how will you get this one? This is unknown. So you know this is 6 and this is 4. So here what are you going to get here? So 4 and this will be 2 because this is 6. So to make it to 6 means you need, this is 4. So you need 2 extra here. So this is 2 means this also should be 2. So here let us put here 2. Now this is already 5. 4 is already given. Now we don't know this one. So what we are going to do? We are going to consider this whole part. Now this is 7. So this also should be 7. So we know this is 3 but we don't know this one. So how to get this one? So now let us see for this 2. So here is 6 and here is 5. So this part is going to be 1. So since this is 1, this also is going to be 1 unit. So now this will be 1. So what will happen here? 3 plus 1 is 4. So this part is going to be 3. So now let us write here 3. Hope this is clear. So that will be 3 plus 3 is 6 and this one 7. So because this is 7. So now we will go for the, this is already known. This is already known. So again we don't know this one. So this is 3 means this also should be 3. So let me write here 3. Now this is 3 and this is 6. So we know all the sides now. So now what are you going to do? Even if you know that is addition, so don't do it orally, because even if you miss a single number, that is going to be wrong. So now let us write it. So the perimeter means this was given for the better understanding. So we'll start from here, and you know this is the, we'll go clockwise. You can also go anti-clockwise, but just make, either you go clockwise or you can also go this way. That is, this is called the anti-clockwise. Now here we are going to go clockwise. So let us write all the numbers carefully. So 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6, and we are going to add all one. So now let us check first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is very important in this one. Many of them miss the numbers and they get a wrong answer. Now you're just going to add it. So this is going to be 8. 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. 13, 17, this will be 20, 23, 30, 36, and this plus 6 is going to be 42. So your perimeter is going to be 42. Now let us see for the area. So how to see the area. So now this is done. So now let us, for the area we can do different ways. So what we have to do, we will, can you see here? This is one rectangle, again this is one rectangle, and this will be the third one. So you can make it anyways. So this will be one of the easy ways. So now all the part is covered. So you can name it. So now I will erase this part. Okay, so now you can see we can put this number 1, first rectangle, second rectangle, and this will be the third rectangle. So now this is why we say it is a rectangle, because these two sides are same and this is the, this also is same from here. These two are same, this also should be same. Again from here. So these are the 3 rectangles. Now let us see for the area of the rectangle 1. So we'll write here area is equal to sorry for that, I'll change the color. Area of this one, I'll just write it 1 plus area of, so it is rectangle 2 plus area of rectangle 3. So this, you know, the area of means rectangle will be length into the breadth. So here what we can do, for the first one we will take here, this is 6, and here what we can do, this will be 1. How? Because this is 5 and this is, the whole part is 6, so this part should be 1. So we'll write here 6 into this 1. So we'll write here 6 into 1. Let us put in the bracket for the better understanding here. Now let us see for the rectangle 2. For the rectangle 2, now this is 5 and this part we got as 2. Why? Because this was 6 and this is 4, so this is going to be 2. So this is a rectangle, what we are going to see, that is going to be 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2. Then now let us see for the third rectangle. So this one, so this will be 7 length into this breadth into 3, means 7 into 3 plus 7 into 3. So what is that going to be? 6 plus this will be 5 to the 10 and this is going to be 21. So this should be, the answer should be, so when you add this one, this is going to be 16 and 16 plus 21, that is going to be 37. So hope this is clear how to find out. So it can be any shape. So if you follow this rule, you will get the right answer, because something especially in perimeter, many of them make mistake. So see that you can follow these rules for the same.